Hi guys, I'm Mike from Tech Mobile, and today I'll show you how to take screenshots on most Xiaomi devices. So first I'll show you my favorite one. Open up the content you want to capture. I'll just open the settings menu. After that, just swipe down with 3 fingers, and boom, the screenshot is already captured. I'll show you one more time. Boom, and here in the upper right corner you can see a scroll and a send button. The send button is just to send a screenshot to other media. But the scroll button is very interesting. You can have a lot of content on one screenshot. I'll just show you how it works. Press the scroll button and you can get it automatically down, or you can manually adjust it until you have all the content that you wish on the screenshot. After that, press done and the screenshot is taken. To watch the screenshot, I'll just open my Google Photos app. And here you can see the very long screenshot with all the content on the screen. Another way is to press the volume down and the power button to take a screenshot. Just hold it down together for a moment and the screenshot is already taken. I'll just show it one more time. And there you go. The last way is to swipe down twice from the top of your screen and locate the screenshot button. You can see here the screenshot button, and when I press it, it'll take a screenshot. If you don't find this button, swipe to the left and press the edit button. Sometimes it's here in the gray area, like this. If that's the case, just press and hold and move it out of the gray area and press done. And now you can use the screenshot button again. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tips. I would also love to hear what kind of tips and content you would like to see in the future.